Hi, third grade. This week in Foundations, we're working on Unit 2, Week 3. The trick words that you should be practicing spelling at home are could, even, said, years, does, nothing, what, and your. The first page in your packet this week says read the sentences. Write the correct sound-alike word from the box on the lines below. Read the sentence again, scooping into phrases. So what we'll do here is if the sentence uses this word missed, we'll circle the number in red. If the sentence is using this word, like the droplets of water, mist, we'll use that color, orange. If it's using guessed, like you guessed the answer, we'll make it green. And if it's using this guest, like you were invited as a guest to the party, we'll use blue. Okay, so let's see. The first sentence says, the blank should not be washing the dish. I think if you're a guest at someone's house, they don't want you washing dishes. Okay, so that would be G-U-E-S-T for number 1. And let's scoop it. The guest should not be washing the dish. Did 4 scoops for that one. You can do it differently though. Number 2, I blank at the answer on the math test. Oh, I guessed. If you didn't know it completely, but you did your best, you guessed at it. I guessed at the answer on math test. 2 scoops I did there. Okay, number 3. The blank was cold and wet. This must be talking about the mist falling from the sky. It's kind of lightly raining. M-I-S-T. The mist was cold and wet. Number 4, I can add a blank to the list. I can add I'm thinking you're writing a guest list for a party and you want this kind of guest, G-U-E-S-T. I can add a guest to the list. I can add a guest to the list. I like it. Number 5, the band blank the skilled drummer. The band missed the skilled drummer. The band guessed the skill. Missed is definitely it. Must be maybe he wasn't able to make it to the performance and they really missed because he was so good. He was skilled at it. The band missed the skilled drummer. Number 6, there was a blank over the ocean. I think there was a mist, a little bit of water spraying. There was a mist, M-I-S-T, over the ocean. Number 7, the batter swung and blanked the ball. Well, if he got a strike, it's because he missed, M-I-S-S-E-D. Okay, so let's scoop it. The batter swung and missed the ball. Number 8, Pete blank, he would be lucky and win. Pete missed, he would be lucky? No. Pete guessed he would be lucky and win. He thought, right? I would say G-U-E-S-S-E-D. Pete guessed he would be lucky and win. Number 9, that blank helped me with up the mess. That doesn't make sense. There has to be a typo on this sentence. That blank helped me maybe with the mess or clean up the mess, they meant. That, not missed, helped me. That guest helped me. Maybe someone who was invited helped clean up the mess. It also makes sense to say that guest helped me with the mess. So I'm going to go with that and cross off up. I think that makes more sense. That guest helped me with the mess. Whoops. Number 10, I blank Ken when he went to another school. Well, if he is gone, you miss him. M-I-S-S-E-D. Make that one that color. I missed Ken when he went to another school. Very good. Okay, on the next page it says read the words, underline base words, circle suffixes, and put a star over any extra consonant in 111 words. So let's see here. I'll go with red. The first word is fixable. Say it. Fixable. Base word is fix. Suffix is able. Very good. Fix is a 111 word, but do you remember in class we said that the letter X in the English language is never doubled in a word? Okay. This word going across, base word is plug. Suffix is ed. Is plug a 111 word? Yes. So they had to double the consonant there, so it didn't say plugged. Okay. Plug, plugged. Next one. Base word is wax. Suffix is ing. Whole word is waxing. Good. And again, you don't double the X in the English language ever. Next row. Quit. Suffix is ing. And since quit is a 111 word, remember, 111 words have one syllable words that are closed with only one vowel and only one consonant following the vowel. And when you attach a vowel suffix, like ing is a vowel suffix because it starts with a vowel, you have to double that last consonant of the base word so it doesn't say quiting. It keeps this base word closed. All right, next one. Mix, base word, suffix There's another one with that X. We never double. Next one. Thin, suffix ly. Now notice on here, thin is a 111 word. It is. It's got one syllable that's closed, only one vowel, and only one consonant following that vowel. But since we're attaching ly, which is a consonant suffix, you don't need to double it. If the word was thinner, then you would have to double it because er is a vowel suffix. Come on down. Tax, base word, suffix able. Taxable. Next word, stamp, stamped. And notice stamp is not a 111 word because look, there are two consonants that come after the vowel, so you don't double. Axe, axed. There's another X word. Lots of X words. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They want you to know that you never double the X. Okay, last row. Trap, trapped. Now, trap is a 111 word, and you're attaching an ed vowel suffix, so you do have to star that extra consonant there. Bag, bagger. Bag is a 111 word. Here's your vowel suffix you're attaching. You must double it. And last but not least, fox, another X word. Foxes. And that's it. Way to go. Okay, this page says read the words. Find words that follow the 111 spelling rule. Underline or scoop the base word, star the doubled letter, and circle the suffix. This is very similar, except if it doesn't follow the 111 spelling rule, we're not going to mark it up at all. That's the difference here. Okay, so they did an example for tip, tipped. The next one is, and I'm just going to go with underlining, okay? Grin, vowel suffix on a 111 word, so you have to double it. That one does follow the 111 spelling rule. Grin, grinning. Now look at this one, trust. Notice it's not a 111 word because it has two consonants after the vowel. So do not mark that one up. It doesn't follow the 111 spelling rule. Okay, next row. Tug, that's a 111 word. Ed is a vowel suffix. So yes, double the consonant to make the word tugged. This one does not follow the 111 spelling rule because it's adding what kind of suffix? ly. And ly is not a vowel suffix. So even though sad is a 111 word, if you were to do saddest, est, you would double the d, but not for that one. Here's one. Stuff, stuffed. Okay, and F is a bonus letter already. So, I mean, you spell the word stuff S-T-U-F-F because it's doubled already, but I would still consider that as one. Think-ing, no. N-K, two vowels after, or sorry, two consonants after the vowel. We're not going to touch that one. Grab, base word, grabbed. Ed, vowel suffix, double. Hem, you might hem a dress if it's too long. Hem, ed, vowel suffix, double the consonant. That's one. Lug, lugging, vowel suffix. That I should be circled, sorry. Yes, double that consonant. Freshen, no, it has a digraph after the vowel, so that one you don't need to touch. Spelling, this is kind of like stuffed up here. Spell already has a bonus letter when you mark it. F, L, and S, we talked about that. At the end of a word with a short vowel, you often double that to keep that vowel short. Shut, whoopsie, sorry. Shut is a 1-1-1 word. Ing is a vowel suffix. And yes, you need to double the consonant. Same with sag, ing, vowel suffix, double the consonant. Lifting, we don't need to touch because there's FT after the vowel, so it's not a 1-1-1 word. Okay, this next page says, have your child divide each word into the base word and suffix. Do not write the extra consonant if a consonant was doubled. Circle the base words that are 1-1-1 words. Okay, so for this one, we would put melt. You're going to write melt on this line, and I'm just going to underline it, and ing as your suffix, ing. Now, are we going to circle that one? No, because melt is not a 1-1-1 word. Fox, you're going to write on this line, F-O-X. Y is your suffix. Now, technically, fox is a 1-1-1 word, but we never double the X, okay? But I would still circle it because it is a 1-1-1 word. Okay, for this one, quit, just do Q-U-I-T, and then the suffix ER. Is quit a 1-1-1 word? Yes, that's why it's doubled. I would circle that one. Okay, here's another one. Mix is your base word, so right here, M-I-X. ED is your suffix. Is mix a 1-1-1 word? It is, but you don't double the consonant because it happens to be an X. Next column, we have mop as your base word, just M-O-P. ED as your suffix. Is mop a 1-1-1 word? Yeah, that's why they doubled it. So circle mop. Here's another one with X. They really want you to know this. Tax is your base word, T-A-X. Ing is your suffix. Is tax technically a 1-1-1 word? It is, but you don't double the X ever. Okay. Wind, you can write W-I-N-D for your base word. Y is your suffix. Now, is wind a 1-1-1 word? No, it has two consonants after the vowel. So do not circle wind, do not circle melt. Okay, yum, Y-U-M, is your base word. Y is your vowel suffix. That sounds like E, yummy. And is yum a 1-1-1 word? Yes, that's why they doubled the M in yummy. Last one, wax is your base word. ED is your suffix. Is wax a 1-1-1 word? Yep, but you never double the X. All right, let's do this. We've done ones like this. We're going to find the suffix up here that makes a real word, and then we'll read it. Act, actable, actus, active. I hope you see active. I-V-E goes here. Sendable, sendus. It's sendable. Good. Floss, what's left? Flosses. He flosses his teeth in the morning. Very good. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's go across the page this time. Bad, bads, badly, badment. Badly, L-Y. Ships or shipment? Well, both make sense, but what about bells, bellment? We know bellment is a word, so it must be shipment and then bells. Okay, next one. Bashful, basher, bashy. I think we have bashful. This is bashful, F-U-L. Taller, tally. We got taller. And junky. Oh, I don't like junky desks, do I? Okay, junk with a Y. Okay, next one. Gladly, gladness, gladding. Gladly. Dunkness or dunking. He is dunking the basketball. And then the last one is flatness. Flatness. I like the flatness of my backyard. Very good. Okay, for the last one, you're just going to read the sentences and write the correct sound-alike word from the box on the lines below. If it's G-U-E-S-T, we'll do it in red. G-U-E-S-S-E-D, guest, orange. This mist is green, and this mist is going to be blue. How about that? We don't even have to scoop the sentences. I did not know the math sum, but if you don't know it, you guess it. G-U-E-S-S-E-D. Go ahead and write that word on the line. Number 2, he was running, but he still blank the bus. Oh, he missed the bus. M-I-S-S-E-D for number 2. Number 3, will Ted be your blank at the club? If you bring him along and invite him, he is your guest. G-U-E-S-T. Number 4, the blank is wet and thick, and I cannot tell if there is a ship at the dock. I think they're talking about the fog or the mist. They can't see very well. M-I-S-T. The mist is wet and thick. Number 5, last one. Did the blank know that hunting was banned? Did the guest, maybe? Someone who was just invited, did he know the rules? Did the guest know that hunting was banned? And for the last part that you're going to do on your own, it says create one sentence for each sound-alike word. The sentence should use the word correctly and demonstrate the meaning. So you're going to do one for this guest, this mist, and this mist. All right. Thanks so much for joining.